Hello everybody. Now I want to discuss some updates done by me in last few days. From scratch we will start. As you can see that this is the login in and there was not any exit button. Now we can exit from the login from pressing the escape button. Now I am pressing the escape button. As you can see that the application will close this time. Okay, now we will proceed. Now after login we will talk about the page add patient. In this page now you will see the additional information about the patient, and that is his or her phone number. I added additional column in database also to store the phone number, and all the three information of a patient are mandatory. Anybody can't add the patient contact without enter his name, email or phone number. We have to add his name and also his proper email address and his phone number. Then we will add the patient. Now we start our session.
Hello, Def. Your
Current
goal today for
session
flexion with right arm is 180 degrees.
window.
Press start session button to begin.
First of all, we will talk about the speed of exercise example avatar. In the older version, there was no option to control the speed of exercise example avatar, but we need to control the exercise examples avatar speed in special situations, like we have a patient who is an old person and can't do exercise with his normal speed. Then we have option to control the speed normal to slow. You see that if I will play the exercise example of that in a normal speed, then you can see its speed is normal. But if I will change its option from normal to slow, then you can see the exercise example of that this one will do exercise in a slow motions. Just like that, and we can change its speed on our runtime. Now suppose I want to add some notes. Okay. Now
Hello, Def. Your goal today for flexion with right arm is 180 degrees. Press start session button to begin.
as you can see, the exercise example avatar is in a pose position, but in the last version, it was by default whenever we redirect from add notes to our current session page, it it was in moving situation, but now it has in a pause position. We have to start and resume session. Okay, now I am doing end session. Now I am going to history page. Now it's a flexion and right arm. Now I'm redirecting to go to video page. By default, as we can see that there is by default all the parameters are set like flexion, right arm from the graph page. We need not to reset all both these parameters. By default from the graph page it's redirecting with the same flexion and right arm. And I have added some notes. As you can see that we can see also in tooltip, and if you will press jump then it will redirect. We can see the nodes in our notepad and it will remain for a longer time. Node will be invisible within a few seconds. That's the changes. Okay, I have done also some little changes. Accept this. We will describe after some. Thank you.